In this video, we learn about factors and multiples of numbers from 1 to 100. So factors of whole numbers 1 to 100. So now the question, what is a factor of a number or factors of numbers? Factors of a number are numbers that are multiplied to get that number. For example, 2 and 3 are factors of 6 because when you multiply 2 by 3, you get what? 6. Again, so let's look at 12, factors of 12. You see that when you multiply 1 by 12, you get 12. 2 by 6, we get 12. And 3 by 4, we get 12. So if you look at the meaning of factors of a number are numbers that are multiplied to get that number. So if you want to find a factor of 12, you must have two numbers. When you multiply them, you get what? 12. So the two numbers are 1 and 2, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So 1 and 12 are factors of 12. 2 and 6 are factors of 12. And 3 and 4 are factors of 12. So when you are asked to list factors of 12, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and the number itself, which is what? 12. So let's look at some examples of what given numbers. Like if you say factors of 10, we have 1, 2, 5, 10. So 1, 2, 5, 10 are the factors of 10. So when you multiply 1 and 10, you get what? 10. So that's what? A factor of 10, and 2 times 5 is 10. Factors of 2 and 5 are factors of what? 10. And then factor of 15 is 1, 3, 5, 15. Factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. Factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 10, 15, and 30. So now let's look at prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers and composite numbers. So a prime number is any counting number that has only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and so on and so forth. It means that if you find the factor of that number, for example, factors of 2 are 1 and 2, 1 and the number itself. And factor of 3 is 1 and 3, so 1 and 3, so it's only two factors that it has. 5 is only two factors, 1 and the 5. 7 is only two factors, 1 and the 7. 11 only two factors. So if you find a factor of a number or factors of a number and you get only two factors, it means that that number is what? Is a prime number. So numbers which have more than two factors are called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21. For 4 has three factors, so it's more than what? 2. Because 1, 2, and 4. Okay, 6, 1, 6, 2 times 3 will give you 6. 1 times 6 will give you what? 6. 1 times 6 will give you 6. And then 2 times 3 will give you 6. So it has more than what? 2 factors. So that number qualifies to become what? A composite number. And 8 has more than 2 factors. 9 has more than 2 factors. 10 has more than 2 factors. So a number that has what? More than 2 factors become what? A composite number. And a number that has what? Only 2. That's why I have underlined the only 2 factors. That number becomes what? A prime number. 1 is not a prime number because it has what? Only 1 factor. So let's look at the table below. You see that we have number of factors. So 1 has only 1 factor. The number of factors or factor there is only 1. So 1 is not either prime number or a composite number. 2, it has only 2 what? Factors, which is 1 and 2. So number of factors are 2. So 2 becomes what? A prime number, only 2. 3 has 1 and 3. That is factors of 3. 1 and 3. And it has 2. So 2, that 3 becomes what? A prime number. 4 has 1, 2, 4, which is 3 factors. So 4 is a composite number. 5 has 1 and 5, 2 factors. Number of factors 2. So it's what? A prime number. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. So more than 2. So it has 4 factors. So it becomes a composite number. 7. 7 has 2, 1 and 7. So 2 number of factors becomes a prime number. 8 has 4. So that's 1 factors of 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. And then it becomes what? A composite number. So this table suggests or agrees with what? The definitions. So more than 2 factors becomes a composite number, and equally, exactly, or only 2 factors becomes what? A prime number. So quickly answer this question inside your notebook or any book that is around you. Is 9 a prime number? Why or why not? Is 7 a prime number? Why or why not? Is 23 a prime number? Why or why not? Is 27 a prime number? Why or why not? Is 17 a prime number? Why or why not? So let me give you a gist or a clue. Find the factors of that number, and you see that if you see that the factor of that number is more or less than that a number, and I won't tell that number unless you look at the definition of composite number and then prime number. If that number fits into the definition, then you have gotten your prime number. So see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.